Good morning, guys. It's a Sunday, the 24th of, of August, and by the way, I'm ready. I'm going to church. This pant is not the same as what I had in the last vlog, yeah. So don't think I've just worn my pants to giant. So I'm trying to fit in the frame, but actually I cannot fit. I don't know what I can do, yeah. But I hope you're having a good day. This is the day the Lord have made, and I'm here to say thank you to the Lord. We are ready. And I have a bow earrings and some. It's a bit tricky for me. I don't know what is happening. This is the bag I'm going to carry, and I'm just wearing it like this. And then these are the shoes I'm going to wear. Yeah, they're kitten heels, and yeah. So we will see each other when I get back. Kindly purpose to go to church. I'm super excited to go to church. Yeah. So bye. See you. Have a good day. That is the mess right there. Hi guys, I'm from work actually, and I can't remember the last time we spoke, but today is on a Saturday, 30th of August. Yeah, I'm from work and it's currently 1:30. Yeah, it's 1:30. I'm so tired, but I need to do a few things. I need to wash, I need to cook, I need to do some skincare because preparation for church tomorrow. Yeah. So actually yesterday I went to town to pick my mom and my sister. They're not here with me. My sister's joining campus, and on my way to pick them, I got a few things from town and I feel like I should share it today. Yeah, so on my way I got two pants. I got this pant and this one. Yeah, it's kind of palazzo pants, and lately I'm loving palazzo pants so much. Yeah, so this is in black, and then I have another one in beige. I don't know if it is beige or yeah, in beige, which I love so much. It's also like a palazzo pant. Actually, the deal was I was going to town to look for a gray pant, which I did not find. I did not get. Hey, I did not get, yes. Which I did not get. And so I end up buying these two because I felt like also they can be much more of importance. Yeah, so I got these two pants which I love so much. I want to wash them right now. And also I bought two bags. Yeah, I got this black bag which I love so much. It's this way. I love it so much. It's really cute, and you can carry it like this. It's a crossbody bag. I don't know if you can see it. I'm using the back camera, of course. Yeah, it's a crossbody bag. You can carry it like that, or you can carry it like this. I love it so much because we are having an event that is coming up, and I really need something like this. You can carry like this and just, do you get it? Yeah, so I got this one, and I also got this one. This one is just more of a crossbody bag. Yeah, I don't know which color is this. Is it brown? It's like brown, and this is the inside. This is how it looks inside. It has like two zippers, which I find it to be so comfortable. And I didn't know this one when I bought it. It has some dent. It has something here, but I'm not mad at it because it was only 200 bob. Yeah, I think it will serve what I want. And let me show you this one. This is how the inside looks like. It has a couple of pockets inside too. It has like a small one for some coins. It has this one here, and then the big one. I feel like it's so comfortable, and it will serve my purpose. Yeah, that's what I got yesterday. And by the way, the pants also were 200 bob, and I feel like this pants matches with this. Like, can you see the vision? I just need to get a brown top, a chocolate top. Do you see how I feel like they match? Or am I dreaming? But I feel like they match really cool. Yeah, so I feel like this one matches with this, and also I can as well carry with this one. How cute is that? And then the black one can also match with this. I'm so happy with my purchase. Yeah. So the pants were 200, but I got them from town. Yeah, so basically that's what I wanted to show you guys. And then my mom, my mom came with some food for me, basically. And I think I'll show you when I'm going to cook. Yeah, so let's clean. I want to show you really quick what I bought. Yeah. So the first thing I got is bananas, the ripe bananas, and then this type of onions, spring onions, or they're called what? I don't know. I think that's the name. Then some tomatoes, yeah. And then of course Irish potatoes. I don't want to remove them here because they're dirty. So yeah, this is Irish potatoes, which I rarely eat. I buy and they can last for soon. I rarely eat. Then I bought some spices for kideri and for chicken, yeah. For kideri and some chicken, yeah. And some capsicum, green capsicum. And then a big cabbage. This is what took me there. So that's basically what I went to buy. Nothing more. Yeah, that's what I went to buy. And I think I'm gonna end the vlog here and I start another one because I always start my vlogs on Sunday. It happens to be on Sunday each and every vlog, but don't get tired of me. So I would love to thank you all for the subscribers, for the returning subscribers. Feel welcomed and feel at home. We are back. We are here to give you content, and my life is much more of work, church, and home. I don't know. I don't have social work, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll start going out. Yeah. So, but as for now, just watch what I have documented and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.